So yesterday I jumped on a smelly London Underground train on an unusually sunny day in London and went to Samsung KX to watch the special watch-along party for the S26 series. And I must say, I really enjoyed myself. It was a great party held by Samsung UK. So thanks so much for that. And it was really good just to be there to watch the S26 lineup be announced. Now, of course, I was there to have a hands-on tryout with the S26 series, and obviously probably the thing that everybody wanted to test out was the privacy screen feature. Now, this is super cool, where it's some clever pixel magic by Samsung has allowed them to make parts of the screen, or even tiny pieces of the screen, feel like notifications almost disappear for anyone who isn't looking straight on. Now, this is a great feature. Obviously, I'm going to try it out in more detail when I get the phone. But yeah, really enjoyed trying that out. It's super cool. And just in general, the S26 lineup, there's so many sort of new under the hood features. Side by side with the S25 Ultra, there's not a huge difference in terms of appearance on the outside. Obviously, we've got that slightly raised camera platform, but the screen is slightly brighter. But in terms of battery, we get the faster, super fast 3.0 charging, so it's 0 to 75% in 30 minutes, which is much overdue on the S26 lineup. I'm also interested to try out some of the new AI features, and obviously Samsung and Perplexity have teamed up, as well as obviously Google as well. There's going to be more Gemini features built into the Samsung devices. Now, one area that I was a bit disappointed in was around the fact that we haven't got magnets here for Qi 2 charging, like we've got obviously with MagSafe and obviously Google Snap. But Samsung have provided cases that has that built in to allow that. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, and I'll be trying those out. As you know, I'm a huge Buds user, so I'm really looking forward to try these out. But let me know down in the comments, what are you looking forward to seeing most or trying out most on the S26 lineup? Are you going to pick one up? Obviously, I'll be picking it up, so let me know if you want me to test anything out or if you've got any questions. Until next time, cheers.